I'm Bill Singleton. The thing I like about gouache is that it's very portable. You can have it out in the field with you, you can take it anywhere, especially if you have dry cakes. And so that's the best option of all. Trouble is, a lot of the artist quality gouache is not made in dry cakes, it's usually tubes. So I decided to make my own. Now, one exception to that is Gouache. They make dry cakes, but it's huge. And this box is huge. It's not very portable, not something I want to be carrying around with me. So I thought, well, I'll make my own. So I do have also the tube Gouache. And what you do is just get a tube, any color you want. And you can buy these pans. This is a full pan, or you can get half pan. And you just fill it up with the pigment and let it dry for like a day or two, and then you've got a dry cake. And it's basically almost the same as the tube. The tube might be a little stronger because you don't have to dilute it with water, but these are really good. So what I do is fill those up, get like an Altoids box, and just put the pigment in there. So you're all set. Got all my primary colors, basic set, and this is I have this wrapped around it. This is just the end of a sock. So keep that there. That way when I'm painting, I can just brush out my color on here, wipe this, use that as a rag. So just put this over here. Nice and portable. So with these, I'm using a water brush. So you got your water in here, and this works perfect with dry cakes. And a pencil. And the option, if you want to organize this, get a toothbrush holder. Get these anywhere, like at Target or Walgreens. And a Moleskine journal here. So pretty simple. So that's really all you need. Just that, your paper, your paints, and a brush, and a cloth to wipe it on. That's all you need. It's a nice little travel kit for gouache. You can keep it in your glove compartment or anywhere. What I do when I'm in my car is I keep it in a little lunchbox. So I get this at the dollar store. So little metal lunchbox, put everything in here. That all fits, and you can throw it in the back seat or in your trunk. You don't have to worry about it getting crushed or anything. And you're all set to go. So portable gouache painting set. No excuse not to paint. So thanks. Talk to you next time. Bye.